All right, so back to persuasive legal defense strategies that Dr. Michel Dell could use. Selective prosecution or political motivation. So the argument would be the case is driven by ideological oppression rather than legal violations. Prosecuting one doctor while leaving thousands of others uncharged would constitute selective enforcement. Why are you picking on, Dr. Dow, right? Why are we picking on Dr. Dow, right? So that would be the selective, prosecution. Why are you attacking, or are you only attacking Dr. Dow when other doctors will do the same? That's basically the same argument here. So the persuasive element of that would be courts are wary of politically motivated prosecutions. Right? If the case is framed as an attack on personal beliefs rather than an objective legal matter, it weakens the prosecution's credibility. So very, very uh, somewhat of a persuasive case, but this defense fails because so crimes against humanity are prosecuted regardless of how widespread they are. Right? Not every war criminal in history has been prosecuted, yet those who were tried were still held accountable. Okay, so the defense of why not others does not excuse an individual's guilt. Yeah, why not the others, right? It does not excuse Dr. Michel Dow's guilt. So let's say, for example, you say, why don't you try the other doctors in the Clare Health Center? And it doesn't matter. And that does not excuse Dr. Michel Dow's guilt, right? That's a very very important point. So the precedent in other crimes, so war crime tribunals have convicted individuals despite other perpetrators going free. And we have to be mindful that it is very, very possible that the worst of the worst, in this case, a serial mass murderess like Dr. Michel Dare, may certainly go free, right? She might live. In her brick mansion and live until the ripe old age of 99 years old, and die natural causes. And she may never see the inside of a prison, right? And we have to be, very, very aware of that very possible outcome. Why? Because, there is no tribunal at this time. Right? The tribunal needs, to be made. And, the very real fact that so many people will support um, militantly support abortions, right? And birth control. They will militantly and they are ready to, hold on to their rights with guns. So these people are very sick and twisted, but that's what we have today.